Hello guys, my name is Shraddha Patil. Our today's topic is classification of high voltage lab. Our group members are Sneha More, Jairam Pawar and Yash Kakade, and our guider is Professor Mangal Dhed. Over to you, Sneha.
First of all, uh, why do you use why do you need to high voltage laboratory? In this field is electrical engineering. The main requirement of the high voltage is for the insulation testing and various components in the power system. Um, now Nowadays high voltage lab is very widely used in industries. In these industries, development were to need to power increasing the exponentially. This is transfer high power and long distance is necessary. So the transformer at HV is possible, which is up to 720 kV to 1000 kV. So exponentially study is made upon high voltage DC testing at 400 kV. These are the types of HV lab. It is mainly divided in three types. First, small lab, HV lab. Second, medium lab, and third is large lab. Again, large lab is divided in three subdivision like high voltage, extra high voltage, and ultra high voltage. Now, small lab. A small laboratory is one of that contain DC or power frequency test equipment of the less than 10 kW or 10 kVA rating is impulse equipment of the energy rating of about 10 kJ or less. Normally, the equipment is meant for the housing in a room or hall of the size 15 meter into 10 meter into 8 meter. Sometimes the equipment rating are limited such as that they can be accommodated in the room of height 5 centimeter to 6 centimeter only. Such as laboratories are meant for the who decide to build, such as a faculty with the small resources for the doing high voltage testing or research on for the impart training. Such laboratories can be built with an investment of 2 to 10 million rupees.
Medium size laboratory. In case of medium size laboratories, their main function will be for doing routine tests. The demand on future tests and test resources will be known to the same extent as that of future production targets. Careful planning of such laboratories should include ground transport, handling equipment like cranes, rationalization of test procedure by making instruments easily accessible, and also providing room for the possibilities of increasing the maximum voltage rating. Such a laboratory may initially contain a power frequency testing facility in the range of 200 to 600 kV, depending on the rating and the size of the equipment being manufactured and proposed to be tested, such as cables, transformers, etc. But its kVA rating will be much higher. The impulse voltage generator required would have a rating of 20 to 1000 kJ or more. Other test equipments like the impulse current generator for testing surge arrestor and DC test facilities for testing cables and capacitor can also be made available. In industrial laboratories, not much emphasis is generally given for undertaking research work, and little flexibility may be available for incorporating new equipment. Large size laboratories. These type of laboratories are meant to carry out testing and undertake research work, and will contain almost all classification of high voltage laboratories and high current test equipments and facilities. The basic facilities available will be one or more HV test halls, corona and pollution test chambers, outdoor test area for test on large size equipment and transmission line and power and towers, etc. Control atmospheric test rooms and chambers. Computer facilities, conference halls, library, etc. with good office facilities are also included. Also, there should be provision for overnight test and stay. The size and rating of the test equipment will be quite large. The building and equipment include the workshop, material handling equipment like cranes, ladders, air cushion platforms, etc. and large control and electric supply facilities. The personnel connected with a such laboratory will include a director or manager, few group leaders and section heads separated by research, testing, measurements, electronics and computer facilities, etc. In addition, there will be supporting staff comprising test engineer, technicians, librarians, office staff and skilled and semi-skilled workmen. We will UHV laboratories means ultra high voltage laboratories. They are intended for carrying out tests which help in the basic design of experimental transmission lines of voltage rating of 765 kV and above, and for full-scale outdoor testing of conductors and insulation structures. In addition, there should be an indoor laboratory for doing basic research. This type of laboratory may comprise an outdoor experimental line for conducting corona and vibration studies, an outdoor corona test cage, an erection bay, and a pollution test chamber. Also, indoor laboratories for basic research. Advantages of high voltage lab. Insulation testing of various components in power system can be carried out. Improve the reliability of existing electrical system. Disadvantages of high voltage lab. It can cause severe electric shock, burning and sometimes fire too. Thank you.